Hi, and welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design. Today, video is a practice for beginners number 2. I will show you how we can create a simple bracket. I will draw a sketch overall dimension of the bracket. Height 80 mm. And length 45 mm. Then, I use Boss Extrude. Midplane, Thin Feature Tool. Bracket width 35 mm. Check direction. Now is OK. Next, I will make a radius of 17.5 mm, and will use Fillet, Full Round tool and select 3 faces. Cut hole 12 mm. Let's go ahead and create 2 washers. For the first one, I use the Boss Extrude, Thin Feature Tool. For the second one, I will use Mirror feature. But I have to create a plane for the mirror. So, the washers are done. And I am going to create a rib, using the Rib tool. But first, we need a sketch. So, we can go further? And we will make 4 holes. A diameter of 8 mm. For the holes, I will use the Hole Wizard tool. I select hole. Metric standard. Size 8 mm. And condition through all. Well, today we have created a bracket model. If you like this video, please subscribe to more content like this in future. And now I will say have a good day and goodbye.